Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bronte for those of you that are new here, and in today's Clean With Me, I will be powering through my cleaning to-do list. I'm going to get as much as I can checked off of my cleaning to-do list while my daughter takes her afternoon nap. If you are new here, stick around and subscribe to my channel for all things motherhood, lifestyle, and of course, cleaning motivation. As you can see, the downstairs is a little bit of a disaster. And I'm going to start today's video off in the kitchen, and I'm going to start by unloading and then loading my dishwasher and washing any dishes that are piled up in the sink. And as you can see, there are a ton of them that need to be cleaned and put away. I hope that you find this video motivating so that you can get your cleaning done. I know that sometimes cleaning can feel like such a chore and such a mundane task to do, but we all have to do it. I dread it most of the time, but you know what? We all got to get it done. So this is me motivating you. Get up and clean with me. Get your cleaning done that you need to do, and you will feel so much better once it's done. I promise you. Even if it's just washing the dishes, you will feel like $1,000,000 just knowing that you've gotten it done and you don't have to do it later.
Don't touch me.
I'll be using this Clorox Cleanup Cleaner plus bleach, kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. I'm going to use this, spray it in the sink, and get my sink nice and clean. I have an older sink, so it seems to get dingy super fast, so I like to use bleach, and then I will just use a sponge and scrub everything. To my best ability, I like to scrub around the faucet, scrub the drains, basically just scrub it all and get it super nice and clean. And I especially like to use this bleach cleaner if I have been cooking, especially with meat, and get the sink nice and clean so that if I do put dishes in there to dry, I know that they are not sitting on any bacteria or anything disgusting. So I'm just going to scrub the sink real well. I'm going to rinse the sink really well, and then I'm going to wipe everything down, because naturally every time that I rinse the sink I make a big huge mess with the water while I'm trying to clean up a mess. Then I got a little carried away and I started wiping down the shutters because there was splatters from washing dishes, from food, and just stuff that does not need to be on these white shutters. Now I'm moving on to actually cleaning the counters using this Lysol all-purpose cleaner in a lemon breeze scent. I switch up my cleaners quite often. I have been using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner a ton, but today I picked the Lysol cleaner, so I'm just going to use this Lysol cleaner for all of the counter surfaces and just wipe everything down really well. I'm also going to be using this on our kitchen island, and I just love this. It works super well. It's disinfectant, and the scent isn't super strong. It's just a nice fresh lemon scent, and it works really well. Moving on to my stove, I am going to be removing the grates that cover the burners, and then I'm also going to remove the discs and the burners themselves so that I can really get in there and clean. I'm also using that Lysol cleaning spray that I just showed you to clean the stove and basically clean everything in the kitchen using this today.
And I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love, growing up.
I figured since I was already cleaning the stove, I might as well clean the grates too, using this super clean foaming cleaner and degreaser. It works so well to clean the grates on stoves. I was blown away by it when I used this in our empty house Clean With Me when we moved out of our rental house. This stuff works amazing to degrease and get any burnt food bits off of your stove grates. So if you are looking for something to help you with that, I would highly recommend trying this super clean. I do wear gloves when I use it, and I just use a regular sponge and scrub everything really well. You might see some dark bits still on the grates after I'm done doing this because it is an older stove and parts of it are chipped. So that is what you're seeing, but it does get the grease and the grime off of these grates so well. Once I'm done scrubbing them, I will rinse them thoroughly, and then I will let them dry while I work on other stuff in the kitchen.
Different makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you.
I'm going to be making a mixture of white distilled vinegar and water. I use about a 1/4 cup of vinegar and then put water in there. I'll put that in the microwave and turn that on for a minute or two, let that boil and get all steamy in there, and then I'll just clean the outside of the microwave using whatever cleaner I had chosen to use that day. But the vinegar mixture helps loosen up everything in the microwave, so it makes it super easy when you go in there and wipe any food particles off of the walls of the microwave. It is my cleaning hack for you to help clean your microwave. It works so well, and I promise you, your house will not smell like vinegar.
I will forgive you if you forgive.
I'm just going to use some regular old glass cleaner that I got from Walmart. It's a Great Value brand glass cleaner. It's just like Windex, but it's the Great Value brand, and I'm just going to be using this to clean the outside of my stove. I mostly started with the glass part of the oven door. I meant to say oven. And now I'm going to be moving on to my dishwasher, and I'm using the Lysol cleaner to clean the outside of the dishwasher, and I'm also using that Lysol cleaner to clean our disgustingly dirty dining table and Kingsley's booster seat, because she has moved up to a booster seat, and I'm a little sad about it. Both of my kids sit in booster seats at the table now. There is no more high chair. There is no more tiny baby. Moving on to the living room, I'm just going to start by picking up all of the kids' toys. Typically, I would have my 4-year-old son Tegan help me pick up the toys, but it was quiet time and he just wanted to watch a show, and I was not about to argue with that, because once he's up, and he is a wild little man. So I wanted Kingsley to nap, and just picked up the toys all by myself, and it was much faster, to be honest with you.
We're not like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes.
I'm going to be using a Swiffer to dust everything in our living room. Pretty much all of the surfaces needed it really badly, so I'm just going to dust the TV entertainment center, TV table, whatever you want to call it, and then I'm also going to dust the shutters in our living room. I learned that it is so much quicker to just open them up and dust them from behind. Even though I do dust them from both sides, it is way quicker when I can just open them up and get the back part and just flip them. But some of the shutters in our living room I cannot open because our couch blocks them, so I'm just going to dust them as quickly as possible, and then I am going to dust our ceiling fan as well. I was sitting on the couch the other day and I looked up and noticed that it was absolutely caked with dust, and it was disgusting, so this desperately needed it.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to fall.
So I'm just going to remove everything from the couch that is left behind that I didn't pick up earlier, and I'm going to vacuum the entire couch using my Shark Rocket vacuum. I am obsessed with this vacuum. If you've been around for a while and you've watched my other cleaning videos, you know that I rave about it. It is my favorite vacuum ever. I love that there's so many different attachments, and I love that you can take the stick off of the vacuum and make it shorter so it's easier to do stuff like this. And it just works so well. The suction power on it is amazing. Even though it does have a smaller canister, it's the best vacuum that I've ever had, and I highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a new vacuum. So I'm just going to put the couch back together, put the pillows back on, put the blankets back on, and then I am going to move on to vacuuming everything downstairs, vacuuming up all of the dust from dusting everything, especially the ceiling fan, and then I'm also going to vacuum up any of the crumbs that are on the floor in the kitchen, underneath the dining table, just all around the kitchen.
Pressure, sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you.
I hope that this video is helping you get motivated to clean your house, or hopefully you've cleaned right along with me. If you have been enjoying this, please give it a thumbs up. It would really mean the world to me. And if you are new here, stick around and subscribe to my channel. Join our family for all things motherhood, lifestyle, and of course, cleaning motivation. I hope that you are having a super fantastic week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!
Making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty ugly from the minute that I met you.